Crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Crypto Insights, your go-to source for deep dive into the fascinating world of blockchain. Today we are shining a spotlight on Chainlink. So you can also say Link, the blockchain abstraction layer that's revolutionary smart contracts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the interconnected universe of Chainlink. I am your host Krishna Sharma. Let's get started. So, introduction to Chainlink. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a blockchain abstraction layer. It acts as a bridge connecting smart contract with real-world data through a decentralized Oracle network. This network enables secure interaction with external data feeds. So, event and method unlocking the full potential of complex smart contract. So the powerful link lies in abilities to provide off-chain so information crucial for the execution and success of smart contract. Let's explore make Chainlink unique and the mind behind the innovative project. So founders of Chainlink. Who are the founders of Chainlink? Meet the visionaries behind Chainlink. Sernery Narjo, the co-founder of CEO of Chainlink Labs, brings a unique blend of business administration and philosophy from New York University. His journey includes ventures like Exit Local and Cryptamail, leading him to the creation of Chainlink through smart contract. So, co-founder Steve Ellis, with a degree in computer science from NYU, joined forces with Sergey to establish the Secure Asset Exchange in 2014. Together, they have been instrumental in pioneering the integration of chain. So, data into smart contract shaping the future of decentralized application. So now we will see unique feature of Chainlink. What sets Chainlink apart? Is its role as one of the fast network to seamlessly integrate off-chain data into a smart contract. Trusted data providers like Brave New Coin, Alpha Vantage, and UB collaborate with Chainlink. So these are the unique feature of Chainlink. Now we will see link staking. So while Chainlink has been praised for its innovation, concern have been raised about the limited number of trusted nodes. So link staking, set to launch in 2022, aims to address these issues by introducing rewards and penalties. The crypto economic security measure initiative proper nodes operation and enhance the network's overall integrity. So these are the stacking. So Chainlink tokenomic. So these are the Chainlink tokenomic. During the 2017 ICO, Chainlink announced a total supply of 1 billion link tokens, with 35% allocated to node operators and ecosystem initiatives. So 35% distributed during public sales and the remaining 30% directed toward the company's ongoing development. As of September 2021, approximately 45% of total supply, around 453.5 million, means 453.5 million links token are in circulation. So, Chainlink Minteroy rise saw a price surge for its ICO value from $0.11 to an all-the-time high $52.88 in May 2021. So, securing the Chainlink network, the power of proof of stake. As an Ethereum based ERC20 token, Chainlink leverage the proof of stake consciousness mechanism. Unlike the energy initiative proof of work used by Bitcoin, POS relies on the amount of stacked token for selecting node validators. So this move toward to POS aligns with the industry's shift toward more sustainable and scalable consciousness model. So Chainlink security is further enhanced by the vast and diverse network of participants, including data provider, node operators, and smart contract developers. So this is securing the Chainlink network. So now we'll discuss the conclusion. As we conclude our journey through this interconnected world of Chainlink, it's evident that this project is not just about cryptocurrency. It's a groundbreaking abstraction layer, a bridge between smart contract and real world data. With innovative like link stacking on the horizon, Chainlink continues to involve connecting the digital and physical realm. If you enjoyed this exploration of Chainlink, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe and share your thought in the comment below. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of blockchain technology with Crypto Insight. I am your host Krishna Sharma signing off.